Hi, I'm Allison with Advanced Pure Air. Today we're going to be unboxing the zDisc, the personal sterilizer and deodorizer. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you can go ahead and remove the plastic from outside of it, and now we're gonna pop out the zDisc. Below this, you're gonna go ahead and remove the black foam, and you will find the user manual, as well as the items needed to charge the zDisc. All right, so you're gonna get a charging cord. This makes it really easy. It's just a USB, so you can go ahead and charge it on the go. You can plug it directly into the wall, all that good stuff. You will also receive a little lanyard and a suction cup so that if you wanted to put it up on the windshield of your car, if you wanted to put it up in your kitchen or a mirror in your bathroom, something like that, you can absolutely do that. It also comes with a manual. The manual has a ton of useful information on how to use it, what you can use it for, all that good stuff. So basically the zDisc uses activated oxygen or ozone to deodorize and to sanitize the items that you place it into, such as a purse, a bag, your shoes, things like that. You simply just turn it on and it gets started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. If you want it for smaller time increments, it's going to be the blue light. And if you want it for larger time increments of it working and then turning off and then turning on, it's going to be the green light. When there is zero light on, that means that it is off. And then when you charge it, it's going to show a red color. This zDisc is really excellent for using inside of purses, backpacks, shoes, all that good stuff, to make sure that it is sanitized as well as deodorized, so it helps with smelly shoes. If you have any questions at all about the zDisc or any of our other products, go ahead and give us a call at 888-601-5886. Thanks for watching.